Hey guys, it's Remo, and here's this week's update from our team. We always want to start off by sharing a little bit of gratitude, and today we'd like to share that our sellers, Mauricio and Isabel, successfully closed on the sale of their home. Got some incredible terms, including an extended lease back now that they've officially closed, to be able to figure out what the next move is. So if that's something of interest, or you're thinking about maybe selling, but you obviously don't want to get kicked out of your house the day after you sell, let us know. Again, there's some negotiating power we have here that would be able to get you some, some extended, some good terms on being able to maybe stay in the property. So if that's you that we're talking to, reach out to us. We'd love to show you how that all works. Next, we want to share with you some of the properties that we had listed, and they're very soon going into escrow, actually. So the home in Whittier and the one in Downey, we were significantly above the asking price, had multiple offers. Both of them really were just showed one day, really, last Saturday. So if that's something of interest where you say, hey, I just don't want to be on the market for a substantial amount of time. Can we sell it in a day? And the answer is yes. So let us know, and would love to kind of show you how that all happens and what setup needs to happen for obviously that to come true. Next, we have a handful of other properties coming to market. So we have one in the city of Bell, a great starter home right at $500,000. And if you've been out there looking, there's nothing at that price. So maybe a good opportunity for you. We also have a 3-bedroom in Whittier that will be priced in the mid fives. So again, another great opportunity because that price point right now is just extremely hot. We have our homebuyer workshops. I believe we have 2 scheduled for this month. And then we have our ADU workshop, which if you don't know what ADUs are, and you probably have heard me mention it a couple times, they're the greatest thing ever. Probably one of the best housing tool that we've seen in the last maybe 2 to 3 decades. So it's an incredible opportunity if you're currently a homeowner, being able to add a revenue stream to your property, or if you have a rental, you maybe could potentially double that rental income that you're receiving now. So if you're interested, want to get more familiarized, even if it's something that might be way down the line, we have a workshop, and I share with you the 10 mistakes that I made, actual mistakes that I paid out of pocket. Obviously, you can learn through my bank account, my wallet here. So with that said, we want to say thank you for your continued support. We're looking forward to hopefully seeing you either virtually or in person in the near future, and wishing you guys all the best.